Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a closer look at the Ecoffee Cup William Morris Gallery Lily. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Ecoffee Cup William Morris Gallery Lily Reusable Coffee Cup. And just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. And on the back of the box there is some information about the coffee cup with this limited edition William Morris Gallery design. And taking a look at the bottom or base of the box packaging, there is some specifications and details of the coffee cup, and it does have a 400 milliliter capacity, or approximately 14 ounces. And this one is in the medium large size, or XM, or X medium. And now let's go ahead and open it up by pulling out the box tab and opening the flap. And there's some more information on the inside of the box packaging. Let's see if I can lift that up so you can see. Some information and specifications for this Ecoffee Cup William Morris Gallery Lily. Okay, and just closing the box back up. And setting it to the side, so just going to set it on the right hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at this Ecoffee Cup William Morris Gallery Lily Reusable Coffee Cup on its own before I start handling it. And now taking a much closer in look at the details, so we can see that it does have this light blue silicone lid with a stopper, and it does fold back. And it also does have a matching cup sleeve as well, with the William Morris branding on it. And let's just slide the sleeve off so we can take a better look at the overall print design on the coffee cup. It's right there, giving you an overall look. At this lily floral design that's printed on this Ecoffee cup. Okay, and just popping off the lid as well. And I'm just going to pop the stopper back into the closed position and giving you a look at this silicone lid. So sturdy, yet flexible. And of course the cup sleeve as well. We can see the overall design and the inside design for ventilation and insulation. As you can see, that WM William Morris branding on opposite sides of the silicone sleeve. So just setting that down, setting the lid to the side as well, so we can see right there the overall details as we're going to focus on the cup itself. So just setting those to the side and now taking a much closer in look at the details and overall design of the Ecoffee Cup from the William Morris collection. So we can see that it is dishwasher, food safe and microwave safe. And it does have that Ecoffee Cup branding on the bottom. It's right there giving you a look at its overall design with the lily pattern. And of course taking a look inside as well, just giving you a sense of the overall material and design. So very, very sturdy. Just trying to squeeze it and you can see there's nearly no flex at all. So it is made from natural plant fiber composite. So once again giving you an overall look of this 14 ounces or 400 ml or milliliter mil capacity reusable coffee cup. So let's take a much closer in look. Let's see if we can achieve focus as well so you can see those overall details once again. And now just sliding the silicone sleeve back onto the cup and replacing the lid as well. Of course with the stopper, that's removable, as you can see right there. And covering the drink hole. And of course once again we can keep it in the open position and rotate it as well. And let's close it back up. And once again, an overall look at this reusable coffee cup from the William Morris collection by Ecoffee Cup. So that's the Ecoffee Cup William Morris Gallery Lily. Thanks for watching and happy drinking!